What's good, YouTube? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today's going to be a quick little video for the X5. We are installing the LED rear reflectors. So let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So I got them available in two colors. I have them in the OEM style and I have them in black. We're going to be putting the black ones on the car today, just to give it a better look. So that's what the factory one looks like. And yeah, it comes with 3 wires. One's a positive, a negative, and then I'm pretty sure the white one is for the brake light. But we'll get into the wiring later in the video. And pretty much the way you remove the reflector is it just pops out with the trim tool. There's like one metal clip right here. So yeah, let's get into it. Pull that bitch out. So pretty much to run the wire through this, what we have to do is get like an old loud ass fucking bike. But we had to get an old hanger, like a dry cleaner hanger, and pretty much just fish the wire through the back of the bumper. Because when you guys take the light out, as you guys can see, there's like an area for you guys to tuck the wire through. So that's the cleanest way that we found to do it. So yeah.
Lift this cover off on each side and then press in, pull out. There.
And then what he's gonna do is he's gonna repin the wires to the connector and then jam it back in. I'll pick up back the camera and show you guys which wire goes to which. And keep in mind, this is a pre-LCI E70, so it might not be the same colors for you LCI guys, I'm not sure, but yeah. Are you ready? It works. So pretty much what Josh just did was he like jammed it into the connector just to like see which wires we're working with. So we have light.
First try.
Sick. Whenever you're ready.
Blue and yellow is power. Red. Violet and yellow is the white one. That's for your brake, always on. And then brown is ground. Brown's ground.
Alright, good. So now we just plug the light back in and then we'll test everything out. Alright you guys, so now everything's plugged back. You guys just saw the wiring. This is the first test. And as you guys can see, they stay on with the lights. It's kind of hard to see in the daytime, but they definitely are on. So definitely looks a lot cleaner blacked out. The red kind of is like an eyesore. So for any of you guys that want to get the red ones, if you guys don't like the look of the black ones, this is the OEM reflector. As you guys can see, no lights, no nothing. And this is the one that I saw. So as you guys can see, like I put them side by side. It literally looks the same as OEM, identical, but it just has lights on the inside. Still reflects, but I think it looks a lot better with the lights, as you guys saw. So alright you guys, so it's dusk here in Miami and it's a week later, but basically I'm just making this video to show you guys what the reflectors look like at night, so you guys can get a better I guess visual representation, just because in the daytime they're not as noticeable. But they stay on the whole time you drive, as you guys can see. They're pretty noticeable. The way I have them wired up is they just stay on like as an extra light. So pretty much when I'm driving, the orange at the top isn't there. Like I'll put the car on for actually and I'll show you guys, but yeah, this is pretty much what they look like when you unlock the car. Alright you guys, so basically this is what the rear reflectors and pretty much the rear end of the car looks like at night. So this is what the black line LCI tails look like at night, and pretty much this is what the reflectors look like. So I think it looks cool just because they're always lit up. That adds like an extra light to the car. Some people might like it, some people might not, but they I forgot to mention, there's also 2 other ways you can wire these up. So you can have them as like a flashing brake light, but not a DRL. I guess that's like the version that I got or whatever. Maybe I might have wired it wrong. If any of you guys are like knowledgeable on wiring, please let me know in the comments if there's a way where I can have them stay on as DRLs and be a flashing brake light. That would be sick. And then the other way that we tried wiring it up, what's it called? It would work as a turn signal light, but it wouldn't stay on as a DRL. So if you guys know any way that I can make these stay on as a DRL and work as a brake light when I brake, that would be greatly appreciated. If you could let me know in the comments. But with that being said, if you guys like these reflectors and you want to add them to your E70 X5, the link will be in the description. I have them in black as well as red. So yeah, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.